Good morning to all of my favorite fourth grade boys and girls. Today in math, we are having e-learning to practice in the event of a snow day or other cancellation when we might need to have an e-learning day. I am going over the Math Spiral Review 11 for Block 1. The first thing I'm going to do is put my name on my paper. If you don't have out something to write with and a highlighter, pause the video and get that out now. Next, I like to put the due date. This spiral review is due Friday, November 5th. You can turn it in anytime before then to get pre-checked. In the left column, we have our number sense questions. Take out your highlighter, please, and follow along with me. Use the following number to answer these three questions. 2,841,025. What is the value of the 8? Remember that the value should be written as a numeral or number. What is the place value of the 4? I always like to go ahead and write the word place at the end of the line to remind me that I'm looking for a place value column. Could be ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, but it won't be 400,000 or 3,000s. It's going to be one of the place value columns. Use the following number to answer the next 4 questions. Write the number in word form. Round the number to the underlined place value. What number would you have if you increased the number by 300? Write the number in standard form. Remember, standard form is when it's written in numerals. Sometimes it's called numeral form. What number would you have if you decreased the number by 10,000? When we see decrease, we probably need to subtract. Addition and subtraction show all regrouping. Hint, make sure to line up the problems by place value. Pay attention, the first one is addition. You're going to need to rewrite this problem up and down. If you have really messy handwriting or you have a hard time lining your numbers out, please get out a piece of notebook paper and write the numbers up and down 1 digit per column. Don't forget that you'll need to put the answer on the blank. This question is subtraction. Again, you're going to want to rewrite the problem up and down and use your lined paper if you need help lining up the columns. This box says to use inverse operations to check. What is the inverse operation of subtraction? Inverse means opposite. So I need to add back to check because addition is the inverse or opposite of subtraction. 47 divided by 8. Hint, there are 8 equal groups with a remainder. You'll need to draw a model in the box to show the division problem. Remember, when we divide in 4th grade, we use remainders. Our quotient should not have a decimal point or fraction. Multiplication. 4 times 8 is 32. Hint, there are 4 equal groups of 8. Draw a model to show the multiplication problem above. Now, I'm going to pretend that you're all here with me, and I'm going to ask, who wants a freebie? Which one would you like a freebie for? Yes, Luke. I'd like a freebie of the division model. Okay, Luke. I'll do the division model for you. 47 divided by 8. Now the hint says 8 equal groups. I wonder how many will go in each group equally. What I like to do is I like to take out my multiplication chart, which is on page 46 in my math journal. Put my finger on the 8 and move it across until I get to as close as I can to 47 without going over. That would be 40. So 8 times 5 is 40. That means that there's 5 in each group. And so my remainder, 8 times 5 is 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. My remainder is 7. Don't forget to put your quotient with your remainder on the line. Okay, and now I'm going to call on Cordelia. Cordelia, which freebie would you like? I think I would like for you to help me with the bottom one in the number sense column. Okay, Cordelia, what number would you have if you decreased this number by 10,000? Well, I need to go to the 10,000s digit, which is a 2. And if I'm decreasing it by 10,000, that's 1 10,000. So I just need to subtract 1. So down here, the new number would be 6,411,007. Okay, I'm going to give one more freebie. I think this time I'll call on, who should I call on? I think this time I'll call on Nolan. Nolan, which one would you like a freebie for? Well, could you help me set up the addition problem using the lined paper? Sure, Nolan, I can help you do that. I'm super proud that you want to use the lined paper. I'm going to put 1 digit in each column. Now this is 100,000s digit, so it needs to go here. Now, that they're all lined up by place value columns, I can easily add those together and make sure to put the sum in the blank. Since I need to show my work, I'm going to staple this lined paper to my block 1 spiral 11. Now, if you did your work here, there's no need to staple a blank piece of paper. But if you're doing your work on a clean sheet, please staple it to map spiral 11. Okay, you can put this in your purple VIP folder, and maybe you'll have time to work on it later today, but if you don't, it will be there for you to look at this evening. Have a great evening.